All right, so I'm in this mode here, and then I press room B, and then screen down. Projector on. All right, so now I press room A, screen down. Nothing's happening, and the projector's already listed as on. Screen up. Projector off. So that's going off in both cases. So it doesn't matter which position this is in, it does the exact same thing. All right, so I'm going to try and power the system down and maybe bring it back up in a different mode. So the object of the game is I'm trying to get this projector here to work, and no matter which thing I was hitting. Okay, so that was because it was in combined mode, but it's not really clearly indicated. All right, so now it's room A. So I get that to work in divided mode, but in combined mode, it just operates the far one, which is strange because right now I have access to just this one, which is A, and before when I had access theoretically to the two, I could only operate the one, so that's weird.